Sige. In terms of translation, we have anterior translation, posterior translation of the tibia. Then we have femur. So what prevents your anterior translation of tibia? ACL. How about what prevents the posterior translation of tibia? ACL. Pero kung magsalin na, for example, what prevents the anterior translation of your femur? PCL na. Then what prevents posterior translation of femur? ACL. So ano sila? So interchange. And then we have here, di ba? Screw hole mechanism. Last pila ka degrees?
25.
Last 25 degrees of knee extension. The tibia what? Externally rotates. So therefore, during locking your tibia externally rotates. So gani mo femur during locking? Ay. This is ano siya? So guys, sa screw mechanism na, what happens here? Open kinematic chain or closed kinematic chain?
Close. Ay, screw.
So guys, lock tibia external rotates. Femur internal rotates.
Close.
So guys, last 25 degrees, tibia externally rotates of the extension. And then natin happen, close kinematic. So mga last 25 degrees, diba? May tibia external rotates. Hanggang yung tibia. So ano ni? Open kinematic or close kinematic? OKC. So therefore, this is OKC. What happens during close kinematic chain? Kung sa OKC mo, sa tibia na external rotate. So kung diba, so meaning, sa close kinematic chain mo, ang happen is your femur internal rotates. For example, diba squat ko? So when I extend the knee during squatting, diba squatting is close kinematic chain. From squatting, mas stab ko straight. Ang gagiyo di tibia or femur? Femur na. So what happens your femur? The internal rotation. Pero if you want to unlock the knee, locking means knee extension, di ba? So kung maganda, kaya unlock the knee, anong ground mo? Knee what? Knee flexion. So during the locking of the knee, ano naman natin nga principle. So gusto mo naman i-flex ang knee mo. Okay? So what happens here? Gusto nila sila. Your tibia this time, gano'n siya? Internal rotation or external rotation? Internal rotation. Tibia, internal rotates. How about your femur? External rotation. So, they are open kinematic and closed kinematic. Okay. Fair is always close. Basta femur, gagiyo, proximal bone, CKC. Basta tibia, gagiyo, open kinematic chain. So, that's how you understand. Gets lang? Okay. Okay, we're done. So again, red depth is